Hello, I'm with this goober. God,
So-
this isn't a head strap, so I have to turn my full body.
Sup, bro?
And today we're figuring out we have no IQ.
Yeah.
Anyways, yep, just what I thought. Yeah. Though today I am learning like how to wheelie. Holy skid. Woohoo! What? Oh! Oh, holy skids.
That was nice.
Yeah, on my camera seeing it.
Oh, that was a good one.
That was beautiful, Katie. My skids are like quick.
Mine was quick one.
Yeah, thin but not narrow but long. And I have the thick boys. Yeah, so we're not the greatest at doing wheelies. I just had a voice crack, I think. Now I'm gonna hit a stoppie. I did not hit a stoppie.
I'm surprised how all the pros go round the track and that, and do stoppies round them.
Like,
Yeah. But they also do like this. They go like this and then like turn their bike.
on midair.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's called a whip. Pulling up in my whip. What? Me bumbo. Alright, so what I've read, right, is you need to go like to a walking pace, get your dominant foot, get into like a decently low gear. I'm gear free, perfect for this bike. Figure. And he just kidded. I know, I heard. I'm gonna try to get. Oh, I did not get a skid. Woo! Can I try to skid on your bike? I bet. See, the car you just heard, people, is just a slightly modified Fiesta.
Yeah. The skids that hit on my bike.
Yeah. I feel like I'm probably gonna blur that logo right there when I get home. Oh, how the helly do you skid on this thing? Dude, my bike looks so big on you. Oh! Yeah. Oh, but I gotta get a bigger and longer skiddy. Wait, Paul. Oh. Anyways, to people who've never watched this, hello. Oh, it does. Just hold the back brake down. Up. I gotta do one last skid. So, how'd that be? No. Oh! You literally see the tire tracks on that. Excuse me, you're getting it. That's
Beautiful.
That's beautiful, Katie. Anyways, we're back on the Scott. So, anyone who's new to this channel, it says channel name. And I hope to get monetized, but also interact with you guys. Oh. There's so much things I'm gonna have to blur. That's just crazy. Yeah. can just skid on command. You can just like skid on command. Oh! Oh! Yeah, I got a left to right skid. Yeah. What? Aye.
There's a cat.
Oh, it's a meow meow. That might be the one who's been fighting with my cat, so I hate. Yeah, so it's like every night, right? I look out my window and there's just a cat, like, like whatever it's called, hissing at my cat and making the meow 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 noises, right? So I'm like, get the. I got a massive skid. Alright, let me get on. Why's flash on?
Oh, I got quite a good one.
Why's my flash on? I've not noticed that, huh? I've got to take my glove off. And there, where it's off. Whoo! I got like a stopper skid. Look. You can see. Yeah, you can see it. Yeah. You're getting all the good ones. I got a really nice one right there. That one's the most noticeable.
But that one's probably the cleanest.
What, the one I did?
No. My like tiny bit left and right. Swerve one.
Yeah. But then that one got your tire tracks. He has bird poo on his tire and rim. Alright. When I get home, I'm chugging so much bottles of water, it's gonna be insane. Oh, what's that? It appears that that's pointing down, which in my last video, which I will be posting soon, I have to record this on my phone, then film on my PC. God! We're gonna. Hope you can see where my tires have been skidding.
Oh yeah.
Is it warm?
That was my one.
Oh, it's warm! Feel it. Feel it, it's warm. I'm gonna have to get my tires replaced soon. I keep skidding. I'm gonna wear down to the inner tube.
It's a habit.
Yeah, it is a habit. You guys,
Yeah, it's a BMX.
you have a BMX?
Yeah.
Oh, what color?
Green.
Great. I have an orange BMX.
I don't have to break something. Just in case.
Oh, diddums.
Or don't get me.
You guys literally just see my handlebars. See, I like engage. What is that shadow? The shadow from my. I still see your shadow in my room. Wait, no, that song's probably copyright.
Oh yeah.
Shit.
Can't do
Yeah.
that.
I hope to become like a decently big YouTuber. I didn't even skid. You did? Woo! That is clean. Woo-hoo-hoo. Okay. He's trying to make the ground like his pants. Phil, skiddies. Trying to make the floor like your pants. Phil, did you just get another skid? How is this possible? You're the skid lord. Oh! Oh! Oh, shit. Oh, that's roasting. Look at that skid. Look at that skid.
Good one.
That's, my tires are roasting. Can I skid on your bike again?
No. My tires are also roasted. We're gonna have to get our tires replaced.
Luckily, currently, these are just rentals. Yeah.
That are technically our bike now.
Yeah, since I forgot about these.
Which is good.
Yeah.
We've got enough bike.
Yeah, and it's got Aspect full mountain bike, trail handlebars as well. I just got a little skiddy. I'm gonna go in gear 4 to get speed. Woo! I don't know if this is like vandalism or anything. Oh, dude, we got the 5 skids right here. Whoo, Skid Row. And then we got the one with tire tracks.
And then we got this one.
Yeah, God, that's clean.
Mom,
But all of ours.
we're gonna leave the school.
Yeah, we've left the school. I'm not gonna say the name, though this was our old primary school. The staff here was crap. Same with the lunch. The lunch here was absolutely terrible. It was like prison food. What, hamburger? Oh yeah, the best deputy teacher that we had. Yeah, Miss Mento. She was the best. She had a VR and she let us play on it. She actually understood us, right? But then she left. Oh, I miss McDonald's. She made me hungry. Thought I heard it playing. Why is someone's sock there? Someone's sock is there. Me Bombo. What the a car just drove by with like 2 mountain bikes on it. Hot. Yay! We just gave each other high five last minute. Alright, someone left their bike here. It's like if they're asking for it to like get destroyed. Brad. This is actually gonna be one of our longest videos ever. No cuts as well. So yeah. What? Yeah. I said they're asking for it to get destroyed. Yeah. Yeah, someone's sock is over there. Probably use it for something.
Arts and craft.
Only arts and sock crafts. Quick thing, do not do what I'm about to do if you're riding a bike. I'm about to take my helmet.
We are trained and we know how to ride.
Yeah, we've been riding for years. Took my helmet up.
So don't try what we're doing.
Unless you're also trained.
Yeah, unless you've also been riding for years.
Anything done in this video by us is done by professionals. Do not attempt it at home unless you have
Extremely good stuff.
and you've been training for a while. There's a taxi there. Yeah, I've been training ever since I was like 8. Hi. Fake names, by the way.
Huh?
Matthew isn't my real name. Because we want to keep our privacy, we use fake names. So, our names are bloody fake because we need to keep we need to keep privacy. So we can't disclose our names. Aye. It's to keep our privacy and keep us safe on the internet. By the way, comments might be off on this video. Darn YouTube. They've been doing that to all my shorts. Oh! Oh, that was an instant skid. Yeah, where did I just skid?
You can tell which one we skidded.
My back. Yeah, there's so many skids here. My back wheel.
Yeah. Isn't all this one?
The track skid is just. Oh.
We've got to do this more often.
Yeah. Alright, people. Please get us to 50 goddamn subscribers. We need to do live streams. You need 50 subscribers to live stream. So he's also an upcoming YouTuber when he gets a channel. Pretty sure his channel will be Viking Biking. Am I correct? Yeah. So I will say when he does start, but please show him some love. Because we're quite a lot of stuff, especially
I have quite a lot of good content.
Yeah. Yeah, he'll be doing pump tracks. No, a bug just flew in my mouth. Oh!
Bro, I should take you to a pump track.
You have to get our parents' permission though.
Oh, my parents are fine with it.
My parents probably wouldn't be.
Well, seriously.
Aye.
10-minute cycle to do that.
10-minute cycle from there.
No, from here to Grangemouth it's 40 minutes. We could cycle. No uphills, only downhills and straights.
We could cycle that. That was not the wind. As long as we bring water, of course, since the place we live is currently in a heat wave.
Yeah.
Which is bloody annoying.
Guys, comment down below where you're from. Like any country where you're from.
Yeah, not your town, your IP address,
Your country.
yeah, just your country. Quick hint, we live in the town of Arnbrew. Not town, what? In country of Arnbrew. Though because the place that we're riding has
Let's see if
where
we can get anyone from Spain or Australia.
yeah, we want we're trying to see if we can get people from Spain, yeah, or America. Or maybe we could get Slim Jim to comment on this. Slim Jim is crazy.
John Port.
We need John Port to comment on this. Alright, who goons that be? Oh, I got that master road bike in me. Got that dog in me. Woo! Oh, I just let one rip. Oh. What are these sounds I'm making? You're so getting your tires replaced.
Oh yeah. Most of these are from my bike.
From your BMX?
No, from this bike.
Yeah. Got hairy arms. Yeah, he's wearing. Yeah. So am I. I mean fishing.
Yeah.
Quick fact: I go to Drumtassie Fishery. Not the greatest fishery. Yeah, I went there with one of my friends. Teenagers were jumping in the water, and it's a fishery, so there's fish in that water, right? And they got a dead fish, right? put it in their net and threw it out into water. They first got down stones in the water. Wait, do we? I have no. Since this is a pretty fresh channel, I'm gonna take off my backpack. I feel like every second I just like sing a copyright song. Yeah. Probably something expensive in there. Because when we got these rental bikes,
they were pretty hard to figure out all the stuff.
Well, I figured this out pretty quickly. I was talking about these helmets.
Yeah, it's because they're not that good.
Yeah, we got these crappy helmets, right? Because he's a small boy, unlike certain person who was in our old class, Cody. I'm not gonna say his second name, just Cody.
Wait, just tell me like RRC.
Yeah.
R or what?
Yeah, RC.
Yeah.
Wait, hold up.
Oh.
You want to try to write it?
I dare you to.
No. That bike is unlocked. I want to take that seat.
There's no one here.
There's cameras, you dingus.
Yeah, but the schools are all not.
Yeah, since it's summer holidays. 21 minutes we've been recording.
Oh, that's not bad.
That's my longest video. In fact, I say we stop here.
Yeah.
Anyways, I won't be showing my face for a long time.
I can.
Yeah, he's a strange boy.
Yeah.
What the?
I don't mind what I do.
Yeah. Any mentions of this school, I will be blurring. Anyways, peace.